So we are on our Canvas page now, and here is where we start setting up our page for whatever course that you are designing or whatever lesson that you are designing. This is your account. It gives you the opportunity to go in and create your profile. You could see all the various notifications and how you would like to receive your notifications. So for instance, if you set certain due dates for your course or your participants to complete certain assignments, you can have all of that. You could decide if you want to have an alert for all the course content, if you want a weekly summary. So once you say notify immediately, the button turns to green. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off as well. In terms of files, it gives you the opportunity to upload all the files. Please note that you only have 50 megabytes of storage. So as far as possible, if you could try saving your documents, let's say via Google Drive or somewhere outside, so not to take up all or not to bulk up your course with too much files that you exceed this free amount that they gave you. And remember, it's a free account, so you can't expect so you can't expect to get a large amount of storage. Once you have the next thing we have is our settings, and here is where you will go in and you can actually make various changes to the course itself. So again, here is where you can go in and make changes. If you want, you could link your Google Drive, you could link your Skype to the page so that when people have to contact you, they can see all of the different contact information. Moving on from here now, because again, I am trying to keep this video very short. Here is your dashboard, and note they have started you with a course page. So you can go through the course page, see what it's like, or you could start creating your own course. Once you click the button, it'll guide you through to name the course and do all of the various setting up. So we're going to click start a new course page. You could name the course, and then it'll take you through the setup page where you can actually specify the kinds of requirements. For instance, your start date, your close date, and that sort of thing. I'm going to not go through that now. Then you have, while you have your overall dashboard, you have your courses page, which will list all of your courses. Traditionally, once you retire a course, you see it listed here. The dashboard only shows you what courses are available or what courses are published. Then you have your calendar. You have an inbox where students can or participants can send information, send emails to you. It operates like a normal email. So you have your inbox and all of that, and all your participants would be there. And then you have what we call the commons, which is like a basic area where you can go in and it's like a community. So you can go in and find out certain bits of information about Canvas, about certain course content. It's all here. It's like a learning community. So this is the overview of Canvas, and in the next video I am going to get you into how you create a Canvas course. See you in the next video.